Hello, dear soul. I thought it's love. I thought I have love. Love the prettiest girl from heart. But that was just the start. Your real face is now in front of me. My beautiful darling. I can see. I can see what you did with me. You used me. But I also have a heart, my dear. You very, you very well played your heart. I will remember in time that you were mine, my baby. Love is not measured on how long you can wait, but on the kind of sacrifices you can do for the sake of love, my baby. Love is an everlasting commitment to cherish one another during the hardships of life, will never giving up. I don't wanna, I don't wanna be there, your favorite or your best. I want, I want to be your only one, my baby dear, and make you forget the rest of life, my dear. One day, one day someone will walk into your life and make you see why it never worked out with anyone else. A caring friend is thousand times better than a careless lover, because that is not his love, my dear. Thanks for watching.